we are as we all know that we are celebrating Health and Hygiene Month this year. We have been having a lot of webinars in PBAS. Today's webinar is focusing on dental hygiene. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome my dear friend who's also an eminent dentist, Mrs. Shilpi Malhotra. Dr. Shilpi runs a very successful clinic called Mir Chandani and Malhotra. She, along with her team of dentists, specializes in root canal, smile implant, laser treatment, invisible braces, and other orthodontic treatment. She values punctuality and safety of her patient is her top priority. So let's give her a very warm welcome to our guest speaker today, Dr. Shilpi Malhotra. Dr. Malhotra, welcome to PBAS. I think, ma'am, you have to
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, you have to unmute yourself.
I did. Yeah, sorry. Thank you so much for the kind words, Kirti. Yeah, it's a pleasure to see such enthusiastic crowd and the parents, I must say. And it's to our advantage, I think so, the rainy day or the lockdown. And it's great that we'll be able to educate them and answer their questions, I think so, down the line. So rarely you get mother and father together, that's the challenge, or even the grandparents with the eating habits and everything happening. That's a challenge for the mothers, right? So you can make them listen so that your job becomes easier. What has to be done, what has to be given to the child. We'll be taking you through this journey today. Okay. And I think so, Kirti, how do you want to do it? You want to ask me some questions and then we can take up their questions, whichever way you say.
Yes, so I think let's have an interactive session. I have a
Great.
couple of questions that I've noted down uh,
Yeah.
to this particular age group. Also, parents, if you have any query, please write in a Zoom chat and we will take up the questions as we progress in our topic. So, ma'am, like as we are focusing on pre-primary section of our school, so the age is mainly ranging from 3 years to 6 to 7 year olds. So,
Okay.
I think most like the children are having milk teeth, right? So, what do
Yeah.
you think? Are milk teeth as important as your permanent teeth?
Yeah, that's a very good question, Kirti, because mostly the parents come to us when the child might be in pain or something, and they say, do you really need to do anything about it? And even if the parent is willing, they will say, okay, let me go. And in my house, everyone is saying, this is just a milk tooth, you know.
Exactly.
So this is one major myth. Why? Why do you think so? Are milk teeth important? See, today we are living in a world where smile is very important. Imagine the front two teeth are so bad that they have to be taken out. Do you think so when the child is interacting, does it in their personality development, if someone is teasing them, these small points do add on. First of all is the smile. Second is if he's not able to chew, the nutrition goes down, right? He's not able to chew, so then it doesn't get mixed in the saliva. You parents remember our elders used to say chew your food properly, and we tell our kids also, and then gulp it down so that it mixes with the saliva, and then it gets absorbed in the stomach. Doesn't know whether you are giving your child spinach or it's a burger. It will act on that. The amylase enzyme in the saliva gets mixed, and then in the stomach the hydrochloric acid will break it down, and then it gets absorbed. So chewing and munching of food is really important. So अच्छे से हम लोग को चबा के खाना खाना है. Sorry, I'll tell the bachas in English or in Hindi, whichever way, so you kids have to munch it very well. Okay, so that you become nice and strong. So that is very important. Very important role of the milk teeth is space management. One tooth, if it goes, it maintains that space, right space for the permanent tooth to come in the right position. As a parent, you all have to understand that sahi jagah pe wo daant aana chahiye, so even if it is taken off, we have to do fillings. We do things like fillings, we do things like root canal treatments for kids, and cap, all so that in order, so that the teeth space is maintained and the right tooth comes at the right space, and the jaw development. Okay, it's very important for the growth of the jaw. The milk teeth so that all this thing is happening. So a lot of treatments, like I said, root canals, crowns, everything is done, and it is needed. Believe me, your milk teeth start falling at the age of around 6, okay, and they keep falling till the age of 12. So you need to maintain the back teeth till that age. It plays a very, very important role. Even if it is gone missing, we have to put some appliances like space maintainers and all, so that that gap is maintained. So teeth do plays a very important role.
So, ma'am, like since we're talking about milk teeth, so one parent, Tanushri's parent is saying that their daughter front milk tooth has come out, and the new teeth is coming in that place, and she is 5 year old. So, is
Yes.
this okay for a 5 year old tooth falling?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Some kids cross their milestones earlier. Like, they'll be speaking early, they'll be walking early. So same it can happen at 5 years of age.
Is it my internet?
6 months here or there, 5 to 6 is there. Even some kids, don't worry, late. I'm sure everyone in the family will come. It can take little time.
Is the was ma'am audible or her internet is uh,
It,
Mrs.
it it was it was breaking, ma'am.
Yeah.
Shri-
Ma'am was breaking in between.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
think the internet went unstable. So can you just repeat what
What are you doing? I said go to
One
first
sec.
floor.
Yeah,
Go to
I think
first
so.
floor,
My
go to first floor.
your finger is there.
Go to here, go here. Go
One
to
sec.
first floor. Yeah.
It was
Because you're connecting to the